Okay, fine. So let's start the demo. And also, please don't type anything in chat box. After completing the demo class, I am going to give the time. At that time, you can clarify all your queries. Okay, see, once demo is completed, 95% of your queries are going to clear. Okay, just 5% will be there. At the end, you can type in chat box. I am going to clarify on that. Otherwise, so you know our WhatsApp number also. So from which number you got this meeting link message. So directly you can interact over there after completing this demo class. So this is that number. Okay, 999-99636-89248. So this particular number you can interact. Okay, fine. So I think you all can hear me. So let's start the demo. So first we are going to discuss about the course name. We are going to call this course as Full Stack Python with Generative AI, Machine Learning, Data Structures and Algorithm. Along with this, you are going to have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, everything. But here I am writing the main modules like React, Redux and Next.js. Okay, so we are calling this course as Full Stack Python with Generative AI, Machine Learning, Data Structures and Algorithm, along with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. So main modules like React, Redux and Next.js. So in this entire course, you are going to get 20 projects. In this only, it includes what? Internship also. And finally, pay after placement program. So this is our course name. Okay, so once if you complete this entire demo, so then clearly you are going to get each and everything. So just wait for you. Okay. So we are going to discuss about some fee details, important notes regarding fee details. SIVASOFT right now celebrating 14th anniversary. So because of this reason, only for online, we are charging just 8,000, which includes course, 20 projects as well as internship. Okay. Special offer is applicable only for online training. So not for the offline training. Okay. But here, online and classroom sessions run simultaneously. So that means at a time we are going to teach for both classroom as well as online. Only fee differs. Everything is same. Okay. So only the fee differs, training quality, whatever the benefits for classroom students, same benefits for online also. Everything is same, only fee differs. So training quality, live classes, regarding video access. So we are going to give from our LMS portal. I will explain later what is this LMS, and even placement support until you get job. Everything were what? Same. So exactly same. Only fee differs, rest everything is what? Same. Okay. So regarding special offer details, online training, so offer applicable. So you are going to pay just 8,000 per course as well as internship. So both course fees plus internship. So it is just 8,000. And the total duration of this particular course is 6 months. Initially, we are going to give 1 hour. Initially, we are going to give 1 hour class. In future, it is going to become 2 hours. Okay. As usual, you are going to have 20 projects. At last, you will be having a clarification. Okay. So here only the fee differs. For example, in case of classroom training, So in case of classroom training, so no offer applicable. So you need to pay 18,000 for both course and internship. So duration, everything is what? Same. Okay, fine. SIVASOFT Technologies Private Limited. Actually, SIVASOFT started in 2012. So now it is 2026. So currently we are celebrating 14th anniversary. So because of this reason, so we are providing special offer, but it is applicable only for online training. Okay. And next, SIVASOFT is an ISO certified company. So that means exactly means ISO 9001 2015 certified company. Okay. ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. Okay. And next, coming to our location, flat number 417, 416. Okay. 416 flat is for classrooms and lab, and 417 is for admin department. And our location, Annapurna block, Aditya Enclave, near Amirpet Metro Station, Hyderabad, India. So this is our location. Okay. And coming to myself, I am Siva. I am having overall 15 plus years of experience. Till now, I completed nearly 120 plus batches. This is my 127th batch that I am starting from core Python on. So initially we are going to start core Python. After that, as usual, advanced Python, first backend development, then afterwards parallelly, because I said right earlier, so we are going to have 2 hours classes. Initially we will do 1 hour, later on we are going to make 2 hours. Okay, fine. So whatever it may be, so this is our 127th batch that I am going to start from core Python onwards. And also I am not only a trainer, I am doing job, and also I own this institute. So because of 14th anniversary celebration, so we are providing this special offer price. In future, even for online, the fee will become 18,000. So this is a special offer because we are celebrating 14th anniversary. Okay. So now let's start our actual demo class. So we are calling this course name as what? So full stack Python with generative AI, machine learning, data structures and algorithm, React Redux Next.js, which includes 20 projects, internship, and after that pay after placement program. Okay. So in SIVASOFT, the biggest advantage is what? Lifetime. So lifetime means how many times you want, you can attend what? Live classes. Let's say you completed core Python in your batch timing. Is it clear? Right? So again in other batch I start this core Python, again you can attend. Okay, because I'm going to create one common group for all batch students. In that group, I'm going to share all the new batch information. In that case, you'll be knowing about that information and you can attend those classes also. So this is the biggest advantage in SIVASOFT. So we don't have any restrictions here, only you need to attend one time or something like that. Okay, after 10 years also you can attend. And the next biggest advantage is what? Each and every live class, we are going to record, edit, then we are going to upload in our LMS portal. So in SIVASOFT, it is not just like recording the video, giving the Google Drive link. It is not something like that. We are going to maintain a separate portal for this. So this LMS portal includes so many features. It is not only just to watch the video. So many features will be there. So I will show those features later. So just wait for it. So learning management system. Okay. So whatever the live classes we are going to have, everything we are going to record, edit, then we are going to upload in our LMS portal. Okay. So now I am going to open our LMS portal. So this is our LMS portal. So once if you join, then only you will be getting this access. So just I am going to log in with my admin account, not the student account. This is an admin account. It includes so many features. Okay. But whatever. So once if you log in, if you go to enrolled courses, let's say Python. So whatever the data that you are seeing here, so this data includes current month and previous month. Okay, current month as well as previous month. So nearly, so 303 students enrolled. So this is not only for full stack. So whether if you take data analytics course or data science or full stack Python, any course, Python is common. Okay, current month, previous month, 303 students enrolled. If you click on curriculum here, you can see all those. Okay, this is only for core Python. This is only for core Python. So I'm going to click on continue. So this is the place where you can watch the video. Okay, so if you see whatever the running notes that I'm going to type here, that running notes you can see here itself. I said, right, this is a full-fledged learning management system, nothing but LMS portal. So you can watch the videos here, you can see the running notes, and even you will be having what? Assignments. After some videos or after some live classes, you are going to have what? Assignments. Okay. So after watching all the videos and if you complete all the assignments, at last you will be having what? Quizzes also. So 182 questions in this core Python. Okay. So not only these things, even if you want, you can ask any queries here. So in live classes, that is okay. But whenever you are watching the videos, if you get any queries, you can ask from here. So directly you can click on discussions, click on comment, and from here you can ask your, okay, fine. So whatever, so I think you got some clarification about our LMS portal. Okay, coming to the doubts clarification. See, this is just a demo class. So because of this reason, so I'm telling that after completing the demo, I'm going to give the time. You can type in chat box, or after completing this demo, you can contact me also. You know our WhatsApp number, right? So that means from which WhatsApp number you got this meeting link, there also you can communicate. Okay. But in live classes, it is not like that. So in live classes, after completing even a small topic also, whether it is a 1 minute or a 5 minutes small topic also, I'm going to ask any doubts. If students have any doubts, they are going to ask, I'm going to clarify. Otherwise, I'll move to the next topic. So this is the way in live classes. Okay. But this is just a demo class, right? At the end only, you need to ask your queries. Okay. So regarding doubts, you can clarify in live classes as usual. And once if you pay the fee, our admin team, they were going to share my personal WhatsApp number also. In WhatsApp also, you can ask your queries. And just now I showed, even from our LMS portal. So at the time of watching the video, so you can ask your queries from here. Actually, this is an admin interface. For students, it is going to be a little bit different. Okay, fine. So whatever. So I think we got some clarification about doubts. So next, coming to the lab. So regarding classroom students, so Monday to Saturday, you are going to have a lab, and the lab timings will be 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sunday also lab available in between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. For 3 hours, you are going to have lab on Sundays also. Okay. Regarding online students, don't worry about lab. So regarding online students, don't worry about lab. Your PC, so nothing but your desktop or laptop, whatever that you are going to prepare, that is only nothing but your lab. So each and every software is what? Free. Each and every software is what? Free. I'm going to explain. So how to download and how to install. Okay. Here, let me give some more clarification why we are unable to do offer for classroom students. Okay. So if you see, online fee is 8,000, but for the same course, internship projects, but in classroom we are charging 18,000. So that means 10,000 extra. First reason is we are celebrating 14th anniversary. Another reason is this lab. See, in case of classroom students, okay, we need to maintain proper classrooms. So obviously AC should be there, proper maintenance should be there. Specifically in labs, we need to maintain highly configured computers. We need to maintain some lab coordinators to clarify student queries. Obviously AC bill, power bill, it includes everything, some maintenance. Okay, we need to pay the rents. Okay, so because of all these calculations, it is not possible to provide any offers for classroom students. But in case of online, it is not like that, right? So let's say now you all people are attending online class. How you are attending now? You are using your computer, your AC, your power, your internet connection. Everything is yours. Just you are listening the classes, that's it. Okay. So because of this reason only, we are able to provide some offer in case of online compared with classroom. Okay. Other than this, nothing is there. First only I said, only fee differs, everything is set. Other than this, nothing is there. Is it clear, right? Okay. Regarding online students, don't worry about labs and everything. Your PC is your lab. And regarding doubts also, don't worry. In live classes, you can clarify your queries. Even WhatsApp number I am going to give. That means our admin team, they are going to give my personal WhatsApp number. Even from LMS portal also, you can clarify your queries. So many options are there. Is it clear, right? Okay. And next, in SIVASOFT, it is not only attending live classes and watching videos. Along with this, you need to do the assignments. Even you will be having module-wise quizzes. And next, code assessments. So code assessments means at the time of interviews, so they will be asking you to write some code. Let's say, so generate a token, JWT, JSON Web Token. Write some code based on authentication and authorization. So just write some code on CRUD operations. Is it clear? So they were going to do some task like that. You need to write the code. Okay. Those code assessments also we are going to cover. And also module wise. See, all these are all something like module wise. Let's say regarding assignments based on the topic wise. Okay. Regarding quizzes, code assessments, interview, question and answers, mock interviews, all these are all module wise. Let's say core Python you completed. Okay, immediately you'll be having all this. Okay, advanced Python you completed, machine learning you completed. Whatever the module that you are going to complete, based on that specific module, you'll be getting all this. Okay, quizzes, code assessments, interview, question and answers. And even in this entire course, you'll be getting nearly 10 plus mock interviews. So you are going to get nearly 10 plus mock interviews, and these mock interviews we are going to conduct on Saturdays and Sundays, and we are going to conduct completely one-to-one. Okay, so 30 minutes will be the duration, and we are going to record the video for our future. Okay, fine. So then after this, you are going to have obviously resume preparation, and next LinkedIn profile creation. Then afterwards, portfolio website creation. Okay, so resume is okay, LinkedIn profile is okay. Then what exactly this portfolio website creation? So portfolio means nothing but your resume in the form of a website. So for example, so this is one of the sample template. For each and every student, I'm going to provide unique templates. That means different models. Okay. For example, this is one sample model where you can keep your profile pic, your name. Okay. Let's say I'm going to click on resume. So this is your resume. So simply, let's say here some sivasoft.in, google.com, facebook.com. Suppose if anyone type ajay.com, vijay.com, so yourname.com, then they can see your resume in the form of website like this. Anyhow, we are going to do 20 plus projects, right? All those projects you can keep here. Okay. So the final conclusion is, if you have resume, that is just okay. But if you have profile in LinkedIn, at the same time portfolio website, then only you are going to get more interviews. Okay, fine. So now we discuss main 5 points. Now we are going to discuss about regarding what exactly this pay after placement program. Okay, so first here we are going to provide 100% placement support until you get job. So here we are going to provide 100% placement support until you get job. So actually SIVASOFT is maintaining separate placement cell. We are calling as what? SIVASOFT placement cell. Okay. So in this particular placement cell, so nearly 7+ team members are available in this team. Okay. Right now SIVASOFT is having tie-ups with nearly 1,000+ companies all over India, and here the main aim of this placement cell is what? Interacting with companies. If any interviews we are going to conduct at SIVASOFT, or walk-ins, or in a rare case virtual interviews. So we are not giving any guarantee regarding virtual interviews. It's a rare case. Okay. So let's say in our Amirpet, Hyderabad, okay, some interviews are happening, but you are from Bangalore or Pune or any other location, so don't worry. So walk-ins also will be there, so don't worry about it. Is it clear, right? And also now I'm going to show all these companies list. Not now, after discussing some more points, okay, I'm going to show companies list. Here in SIVASOFT, 100% placement support until you get a job. Now again, go back to fee details here. So initially you are going to pay 8,000 for internship, course, 20 projects. If it is classroom means 18,000 that you are going to pay, that is okay. Then pay after placement. If you pay these fees, you are going to get course, internship along with the 20 projects. Okay. Then what exactly pay after placement? Okay. So here with the help of SIVASOFT, so here with the help of SIVASOFT, if you get job and if your package is less than 5 LPA, then no need to pay any amount. Okay. So initially you are going to pay these fees to complete your course, internship and projects. Once everything is done, we will start showing the placements. And if you get job with the help of SIVASOFT, and if your package is less than 5 LPA, no need to pay any amount. Suppose if your package is more than 5 LPA, then you need to pay 15,000. So when you need to pay this one means after receiving your first salary. And this is completely one-time payment. And this is completely one-time payment. Let's say, suppose you got a job as a fresher. Let's say you got some good package like 8.2 LPA as a fresher. But you don't want to pay this 15,000. No problem, leave it. Because initially for online you are going to pay 8,000, for classroom you are going to pay 18,000. That is enough for us. And even we are very happy you got some good package more than 5 LPA. Of course 8.2 LPA, but you don't want to pay this 15,000. No problem, leave it. Okay, but those who pay this 15,000 only for those students, we are going to give 6 months work support. What is this work support means? Once if you join in the company, they were going to assign some work. Okay. If you are able to do that work. If you are unable to do, come to our institute, or otherwise you can take through online also, through Google Meet, Zoom also. But only this support is available Saturdays and Sundays. So nearly 10 plus team members are available in our institute. Support will be through offline, online, but the support timings will be 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Only Saturdays and Sundays. Actually, these team members are nothing but what? Our old students, nothing but your seniors. Okay. So actually, even you people also, let's say with the help of SIVASOFT, we got job and we are going to maintain all the students' data. Once if you get minimum 2 years of experience, then we are going to contact each and every student. If you are interested, come to our institute on weekends, give some work support to our existing students. So like this only, these people also. See, let's say you got a job with the help of SIVASOFT. Okay, you completed 2 years. Then we are going to contact you. Okay, definitely you are in a good position. Good package, good position, everything is fine. So Monday to Friday you are going to do job. But Saturday and Sunday we are requesting you people to come to our institute and give the support to our existing students. But here you are giving your valuable time. Even our old students also, they were giving their valuable time. Because of that reason we need to pay you, right? So because of this reason we are charging. And that too for work support. So I think you all people got the clarification about pay after placement program. So here the important point is, even if you get more than 5 LPA also, no need to pay any amount. Okay. But if you pay, additionally you will be getting 6 months work support. So now I think you got some clarification about this pay after placement program also. Is it clear? Okay. And next I said I will show all the companies list and current month and previous month selected students data. Okay. So now it is not possible for me to show all the company contact details. I can show the company name and location, but company contact details, it is not possible to show. So see here. So if you see here, okay, on the left side, you are able to see the company name. On the right side, you can see the location. See Chandigarh, Bangalore, Noida, okay. So different locations, Pune, New Delhi. So all over India, even some remote jobs also available. Even some remote work from home jobs, but we are not giving any guarantee. Now scroll down. So now you can see the company names. So nearly 1,000 plus companies. So nearly 1,000 plus companies. Our placement cell team working very hard. Within 1 or 1.5 months, we are going to reach easily to 1,500 plus companies. So these are all the companies list. Okay. So nearly 1,060. Let's hope within 1 month or 2 months, we will reach to 1,500 companies. And next, who are eligible to learn this particular course? Okay. So eligibility. So if you are a final year student, you are eligible. Any graduate means 3 years degree or 4 years BE BTech. Okay. And next, experience. So nowadays so many people, they were losing their jobs. Let's say, so Java, .NET developers, they were struggling a lot to get a job as a fresher, and also those who are doing also, they were struggling a lot. Okay, even if you belong to Java, .NET, ServiceNow, SAP. Okay, if you want to move to this full stack Python with artificial intelligence and machine learning, easily you can prefer this particular course. This is the safest course. Okay, and if you are working in a non-IT background like customer care, BPOs, and what else, marketing, you can prefer this particular course, non-IT to IT. Even if you have career gap also, no problem. You are eligible to learn this particular course. Okay. After completing the course in SIVASOFT, if you try as a fresher and if you try with 10 plus years of experience also, no problem. You can survive in companies. Okay. And next here, students will have one more query like, let's say I completed my education in 2019 or 2018, whether I am eligible or not. Okay. Here, for this, I am going to give a simple clarification. See, assume that we are having some 100% of companies. So assume that we are having 100% of companies, entire whole over world, nothing but 100 companies. Just believe that. So from this, 10% of companies, they were going to consider 2026, 2025, 2024 as freshers. Okay. So remaining 10% of companies, they were going to consider, so some companies, they were going to consider 4 years. Some companies, they were going to consider 5 years also. Okay. Just I am writing here 5 years as freshers. But remaining 80% of the companies, they don't bother about which year passed out. Just they bother about what? Skills. Let's say, for example, degree you need to complete in 3 years, but you completed in 5 years. No problem. They will accept it. Okay. So BTech 4 years you need to complete, but you completed in 7 years. So no problem. They are going to accept. Okay. So the final conclusion is 80% of the companies, they bother about only skills. But here, another important point I want to give here. Okay. What is that important point means? So to learn this course, there is no any age limit. There is no any age limit. Suppose if you are expecting 100% placement support from SIVASOFT, definitely your age should be less than 30. Okay, that means 20. Suppose your age crosses 30 and above, so I want to know about your history. So that's the reason after completing this demo, so please contact this number. So 996368928. That means from this particular number only you got this link. Maybe some other students, they got from different phone number. Whatever, it doesn't matter. So just contact this particular number. I'll be knowing about your history. Based on that, I'm going to suggest. Okay. See, if your age is 31 or 35 or whatever, outside with the help of consultancies, you can get jobs. So no doubt about that. But from SIVASOFT means definitely your age should be less than 30. So this is the main point that you need to remember. Okay. Job roles. So after completing this particular course, you can try as a front-end developer. Front-end means it includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript, HTML5, whatever. I will discuss everything later. Just wait for a while. These three are the main modules. So nowadays, 99% of the institutes, they were teaching only React. Okay. If you keep React in your resume, you are not going to get even a one single interview call also. You need to know Redux, and mainly you need to know the React framework called Next.js. Then only. So if you keep only React, no use. You will be not getting even one interview call also. So React, Redux, Next.js. And the next thing is, after completing this course, you can also try as a backend developer. Let's say Python, Django, Flask, SQL, NoSQL, and some other things. Even Fast API, REST API, so many were there. So just wait for it. And next, combining both, full stack. So that means front end plus back end. So now the latest trending role, you can try AI/ML engine. Okay. So nowadays, your target is not this front end, back end, full stack. This should not be your target. Your target should be AI/ML engineering. AI/ML means, so you need to have full stack along with this artificial intelligence, machine learning, data structures and algorithm, and next libraries like NumPy, Pandas, whatever, even some other modules. So wait for a while to get the clarification about it. Okay. So these 4 job roles, but your aim should be for this AI/ML engineer. Okay. So next, we are going to discuss about. So in SIVASOFT, so what is the biggest difference from other training institutes and SIVASOFT training institutes means here within less time we are going to learn more syllabus. Okay, how it is possible? So see here, the total duration of this course is 6 months and daily 2 hours. Okay, some other institutes also same 6 months, some institutes 1 hour, some institutes 1.5 hours. But here in SIVASOFT, syllabus is more. Okay, that's the reason daily 2 hours. If you compare with other institutes, so daily 2 hours means which is equal to 4 hours. Okay, so how means observe carefully. Okay, so in case of other training institutes, so just I am comparing with 60 minutes class. Some institutes 90 minutes, some institutes 60 minutes, whatever, it doesn't matter. Just I want to compare. Okay. So in other training institutes, 30 minutes they were going to explain. Remaining 30 minutes as a student, you need to write notes and programs. In this case, okay, half of the time is wasted. Okay, suppose see, right now I wrote so much running notes here. Some notes I wrote. Okay, I asked all of you to write these notes. Some students they'll be writing in 15 minutes, some students 20 minutes, some students 30 minutes. See, half of the time is wasted. But in SIVASOFT, it is not like that. Okay, let's say 60 minutes class means total 60 minutes explanation only. Okay, as a trainer, everything I am going to type. So I am going to type notes, I am going to write programs. Okay, in addition to this, I will record the video. So here the biggest advantage is, as a student, no need to write any notes and programs in live classes. So here teaching, explanation, everything is fine. But how we are saving the students valuable time means, okay, just avoiding writing the notes and programs in live classes. Instead, anyhow, we are having LMS portal. Okay, so this is our LMS portal. Here I can keep my running notes. Why again students should write? Video is there. Okay, and also in colleges it is okay to write the notes. Okay, that is okay, accepted. But once if you are learning any professional courses, okay, instead of writing, start typing. If you type, at least your typing speed will increase. Is it clear? And also, okay, so I am going to tell to all students in our first class itself, I am going to request all the students, okay, to install this software. Not only this rapid typing, so many other softwares also we are having. So I recommend this software. This software main aim is what? To increase your typing speed. Is it clear, right? Okay. So now I think you got the clarification how SIVASOFT is mainly different from other training institutes. And also, if I compare with other training institutes, our course is 2 years. So 2 years course in SIVASOFT, we are learning in just 6 weeks. Is it clear? Right? So just by saving this valuable time, and here it's 2 hours, it's not 1 hour. Is it clear? Right? Okay. So that means 4 times more syllabus that you are going to learn compared with other training institutes. Is it clear? Right? So, okay. So now I think you got some clarification. Okay. Regarding some basic details. Now we are going to discuss with course curriculum. See, in SIVASOFT, the syllabus is huge. I think our admin team, they shared all the details to your WhatsApp number. What we are going to cover, let's say in backend development, we are going to cover all this. In basic UI, we are going to cover all this. In advanced UI and even internship. And also, this is just a demo, almost 40 to 50 minutes already completed. If I start typing and explaining, it will take again another 1 to 2 hours. So that is the reason what I'm going to do means, okay, For all these course curriculum, already our admin team shared to your WhatsApp number, you can check. Already you all people know, even I will share these images to your WhatsApp number, you can check. At the same time, okay, you can check from here also. Okay, so first our focus should be on back-end development. Obviously, this is the order we are going to follow. Okay, core Python, advanced Python. Okay, just I am reading. This is just a demo class. This is just a demo class. Okay, so just I am reading, that's it. Okay, so core Python, advanced Python, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data structures and algorithm. Totally 4 Python libraries we are going to cover. NumPy, Pandas, Scientific Python, Matplotlib. So 2 databases we are going to cover. So one is SQL, mainly MySQL. In NoSQL we are going to cover MongoDB. Okay. So then after this, Django, Flask, Postman to test the API calls, developer tools and debugging. So mainly some AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini and Copilot. See, regarding AI tools, we are having so many. Even these things also AI tools. So many AI tools we are having. Nearly 1,000 to 1,500 plus AI tools we are having. Okay, but no need to learn all those. Company's first priority. Even in my company also, company's first priority is Microsoft Copilot. Then the second priority is for what? Okay, ChatGPT. So if you know only these two, that is enough. Let's say in my company, only Copilot is enough. In my company, only Copilot is enough. Okay, because they gave access directly Copilot. Okay, I don't want to work with even ChatGPT also. But some companies, they were giving ChatGPT also. That's the reason. So I'm going to cover Copilot, ChatGPT, and this is Generative. So these tools are something like to improve your practicing skills, logical thinking, analytical thinking. Okay. So to increase those things, these AI tools plays a major role. So this is HackerRank, LeetCode, and Coach. Okay. And you will be having some capstone projects. Capstone means module wise. Okay. So here in this backend development, you will be having a form validation, CRUD operations, REST APIs, FAST API. Okay, some authentication concepts like login, logout, security concepts, and even some role-based access control. See, so let's discuss something about this authorization. Okay, see, we are having a Netflix. Okay, don't check with Netflix. So simply check this portal. This is our LMS portal. So right now I am an admin. I can add student. I can delete the student. I can do whatever the course that I want. Is it clear? But as a student, you can only watch the video, but you can't, okay, delete the video, right? Okay. As an admin, okay, I can upload the video, I can add the student, I can watch the video. But as a student, only you can watch the video. Is it clear? So as an admin, I am having some special permissions. Let's say Netflix. Netflix admin people, they can upload movies. As a subscriber, only we can watch. Okay. These things we used to call it as roles: admin role, subscriber role, student role. Okay. Based on the role, some permissions. Okay. This is just a demo, not possible to discuss more. Okay. And even, okay, deployment and DevOps module here, Jenkins, Docker, AWS and GCP. So these things comes under what? Backend development. Then basic UI, nothing but user interface. You will be having fundamentals, HTML, XHTML. Here you will be getting HTML5, 5.1, 5.2, CSS, CSS3 and 4 versions, basic and advanced. Just I am reading, that's it. Okay. So then afterwards, promises, async, await, callbacks, Ajax, JSON. See, 90% of the companies prefer Bootstrap, 10% of the companies prefer Tailwind. Okay, but we don't know, right, which company is going to prefer which one. So that's the reason we are going to cover both. Then afterwards, social media integrations, search engine optimization, Google Analytics. Then afterwards, module-wise projects, HTML, CSS project. This is just a demo, just I'm reading, that's it. Okay. So HTML5, CSS3, 4. Here float one project, flex one project, grid one project, some JavaScript projects, Bootstrap and Tailwind, and finally portfolio. I said right, your ratio. Then finally domain registration. Domain registration means how to purchase the name. For example, let's say siva.com, siva.net, ajay.org, how we can purchase. Then afterwards, how we can purchase the hosting space. Okay, let's say, okay, so regarding sivasoft.in, training.sivasoft.in, all these project files I uploaded in live server. Okay, so how? By purchasing some hosting space, I uploaded all my HTML, CSS or some project files, then only I can see my website. Okay, so those things also we are going to cover. So this is something like basic UI. Then afterwards, advanced user interface. So in this advanced user interface, you are going to have ECMA script, TypeScript, SAS and SCSS, React, C. Small companies prefer JavaScript. Top MNCs prefer TypeScript. So your target should be top MNCs, not small companies. You need to know TypeScript. 99% of the institutes, I think just before this demo, I think 1 or 2 students, they spoke with me. Already they completed the course in some other familiar institute. They taught only JSS. Okay, but at the time of interviews, they were asking TypeScript. Okay, so now again they were joining in our, okay, Material UI, Redux, to write the unit test cases just framework. This is the original React framework. Without Next.js Redux, you will not get even a single interview call also. Okay. Then Postman, Figma, developer tools and debugging. Here also same. Okay, some AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, as well as Copilot. AI tools like HackerRank, LeetCode and Coacher. As usual, some capstone projects, form validation, React routing, CRUD operations, REST APIs, authentication. See, in backend also almost the same thing. Their focus is on based on Python. Here focus is based on React, Redux and Next.js. As usual, deployment concepts by using Jenkins, Docker, as well as AWS, Amazon Web Services. GCP means Google Cloud Platform. Some companies AWS, some companies GCP. Both we will cover. So then after this, internship. So internship you are going to have for 2 months. Internship you are going to have for 2 months. Okay, no need to pay any additional fees. Whatever the 8,000 that you are going to pay, in that only you are going to get this internship also. So totally 2 months internship. In first month, you will be having first agile methodology. So in companies, they will follow one process. Daily they used to keep some stand-up calls, some meeting, some sprint concept. Okay, so let's say in our company, every 2 weeks, one sprint. Of course, in this particular demo, some people already doing some jobs. Those people, they know these terminologies. So if any freshers are available, so don't worry. Okay, everything you will be getting the clarification. Okay, so what is the main agenda of first month means? Total setup. In companies, whatever the process they were going to follow, that process here we are going to follow. That process only we are calling as agile methodology. So what is agile? What exactly it includes? In our regular classes we will discuss, just to know. Okay, version controls. Okay, how to, let's say some companies Git, some companies Bitbucket. Okay, so here how to raise the pull request, how to create the branches, how to merge the branches. So many were there, we will discuss. Okay, project management tools like Jira. Okay, so let's say for documentation, we people know MS Word. Companies will not use Microsoft Word. They will use Confluence for documentation. Okay, so regarding task, let's say today you joined in one specific company. Okay, so they gave some task. Let's say your task is create a login form. So directly they will not tell, directly they will not send any email. So they will be maintaining a separate, okay, project management tool called Jira. In that Jira, they were going to keep your name. On your name, they are going to assign, create a login form. You need to log in similar to Gmail, however you are going to log in. In Jira also you need to log in and you need to check. Okay. So next, professional communication. Let's say we know, okay, now we are communicating in Google Meet. 99% of the companies, they will communicate with Microsoft Teams and Slack. Okay, so these things also we are going to prefer. Next, we know Gmail, Yahoo, okay, even what else? Hotmail, okay, Live. So many extensions we are having, okay. But here companies will prefer always Microsoft Outlook. So that also we are going to discuss. So in the first month, most target is what? Setup, okay. And the next second month is what? We will start our e-commerce project. Okay, so full-fledged e-commerce project including payment gateway integration, nothing but phone pay payments, Google Pay, credit card, debit card payments, a full-fledged application, something similar to Japto, okay, Flipkart, Amazon, whatever the e-commerce applications we are having, right? Same like that, a full-fledged application. Even you people can keep in your resume also this particular project. Okay, so in month 2, we will cover all this. So front and back end feature development, API creation and integration, security implementation, testing part. Okay, this is very, very important. CI/CD pipelines, Docker based deployment, AWS hosting, and final documentation and sprint reporting. Okay, so within 6 months, okay, you are going to complete your entire course with internship. Okay, see, whatever the course curriculum that I showed here, okay, if I start typing, it will take more time. That's the reason I had some images like this. Okay, so I will share these images, okay, to your WhatsApp. You can check it. Otherwise, anyhow, in our website, okay, you are able to see the content, right? You can check from here. Okay, fine. So now I think you got some clarification about, okay, SIVASOFT and what we are going to cover. So everything you got the clarification. Okay. Now, if you have any queries, you can ask. And also one more point I forgotten. Okay. Regarding certificates. Okay. So after completing this course, you are going to get 2 certificates. So first one is course completion certificate. And the second one is internship certificate. So what is the usage of this internship certificate? It's very simple, and also these certificates are free, but you are going to get a soft copy. We will share through WhatsApp or to your email ID. Okay. So what is the biggest advantage of internship means? It is something like what? A proof. So a proof that you did some projects. See, I want to give a simple clarification. Okay. Only one job is there. Only one job is there. Let's say Ajay student performed interview well, but no internship certificate. Let's say Vijay student also performed interview well, but with internship. So here the important point is whoever they were going to take the interviews, like say some interview panel or HR or whatever. Okay. So finally they were going to select Vijay. Why means he is having an internship certificate. Internship means what? Proof that you did some projects. And also those who are going to take the interviews from their interview panel, right? Okay, interview panel or HR or whatever. So these people, they need to explain to their higher authorities or managers, okay, why you people selected Vijay, why not Ajay? So they are going to do the explanation. Simply they will tell that Ajay and Vijay both performed well, but Vijay is having internship. That's the reason we selected Vijay. So here the simple point is what? Those who are going to have the internship certificates, okay, or internship, so those people easily they were going to get what? Jobs. So this is the main important point. This is the practically proved in SIVASOFT also. Okay. So our placements and people, okay, they were going to contact companies, right? So directly they were asking, in your training institute, you people are providing internships or not? If internships were there, then only we will come to your institute. If no internship means no companies are coming also. That means they were not preferring. So in this artificial intelligence era, so you need to have internship. Internship means it is something like a proof that you did some projects. Okay. So that's it. So regarding this overview, now if you have any queries, you can type in Google Meet chat box or otherwise. So this is our WhatsApp number. Already you all people know 99636 89248. You can contact. And also after ending this particular demo class, it's a request, don't call. Okay, because after ending this demo, immediately I used to get some 7 to 10 calls. Okay, at a time I can't give the response, right? So because of this specific reason, first ping me on WhatsApp. We will communicate. Then I will going to tell that so you can call or can we have a call. After that I am going to call you. Then you can have a discussion. And next, coming to this age limit. If your age crosses 30 and above, again same, ping me on WhatsApp. So I want to know about your history. Based on that, I can suggest. To loan the course, no age limit. But if you are expecting placement support from SIVASOFT means, then definitely your age should be less than 30. Okay. So this is an overview. Now, if you have any queries, you can type in chat box. Otherwise, after ending this demo, you can interact in our WhatsApp link. Okay. So that's it. If you have any queries, you can type. So if you don't have any queries, okay. So if you don't have any queries, you can leave the meeting. And also tomorrow, same time, we are going to start our regular classes. Tomorrow, we are going to start our regular classes same time. For all paid students, we are going to create a new Google Meet link. From tomorrow onwards, you are going to start your regular classes. Okay, so that's it. So if you have any queries, you can type in chat box. Otherwise, you can leave the meeting. Okay.